I'm working from home today, so that's nice. Have a full day. When I'm finished work, I have to go to, we're celebrating one of my friends' birthday today, so we are going out to dinner, so I'm looking forward to that. But I really want to have a very, very, very productive day today. I want to tick off a lot of things on my list as it relates to work. You all would have seen that I would have done a little bit of my morning routine. I would have read 5 chapters. Yeah, 5 chapters in the Bible this morning. Did a little bit of reflection on the word. And now gonna, get into the work aspect of the day. So yeah. Check out my planner, guys. Isn't this cute? It's my wood planner. Winding down for the day. Not finished with work, but finished with as much as I could for the day. I have a dinner tonight, a friend's birthday dinner that I'm going to at 7:30. So that's gonna be fun. I love her so much. She is such a gentle, such a sweet soul. Like, she's amazing. So gonna get to celebrate with her. I have no idea what I'm gonna be wearing. Anyway, I'm going to wind down now with this book, and I want to talk about this book, A Bend in the River by V.S. Naipaul. I don't know why it took me this long to get my hands on this copy, because A Bend in the River is like classic V.S. Naipaul title, right? But it's so good. It has me in a chokehold. I'm taking longer to read it than I should, and that's because I'm on a 75 challenge where I have to read 5 chapters of the Bible every day. I have to work out every single day and do other things, so it limits my time. But when I do get time, oh my gosh, I just disappear into this book. Well done, Naipaul. Like, for all the readers out there, get this book. Naipaul is not very much into dialogue in his writing style. He's very descriptive. He is a storyteller. He tells a story, and it feels like you truly connect with the characters the way he writes, right? And so that chokehold is real. Had no idea. Anyway, I'm gonna get maybe half an hour into this and then organize to get ready, shoes, clothes, and all of that. So I'll pick you all back up after. Gonna get some relaxed time. Now I'm trying to figure out what to wear. And I'm very late. 6:24. I am very late. Birthday girl. I had super lunch, so you know. You're hungry? I am hungry. I'm having a salad. Wow. A big hearty salad. I want for my students, I don't really.
supporting real lifestyle content. Cool.
Decor. Mostly productivity at the end of the week is like, at the end of the week looking at, reflecting on what was achieved.
This is super good. Good.
Good morning. It is Friday. Happy Friday. I am getting ready to go into the office. I have a lot of work that I want to achieve, just check things off my list. And Fridays are the best days for me to work in the office. One, because hardly anybody works in the office on a Friday. People work from home mostly. And two, we have short Fridays. So on short Fridays, people who are in the office, they leave early. So I will get a lot of work done today. I'm looking forward to just having a coffee. I'm not gonna have lunch today. Today is definitely gonna be a fasting day. So I'm going to work through lunch, pack my Bible, to read that, get work done, leave the office, and come home and do other stuff. But I'm looking forward to getting a lot of stuff done today. So that's what the day is gonna look like, pretty much just getting work done and, knocking off those tasks. So let me see if I can show you the fit. I wanna show you my bag, my work bag. So this is my work bag. This is supposed to be a temporary bag because I am testing out what kind of bag works best for me. I am 100% not a bag lady where I'd carry a handbag, a laptop bag, a lunch bag, and a standy. Hell no. So everything has to be able to fit in a bag. So this is going to be the work bag in terms of the style and stuff, like where the strap falls. Where that strap falls is like perfect to, carry everything. So I'm going to be on the hunt for a bag that can mimic this. So definitely has to be like a vertical tote with a longish, a longish strap. And this was a lot. Like I have my laptop in here, clipboard, my planner, so wallets gonna go in there to pack my wallet and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be on the hunt for that. Give me any recommendations. I might have this. I got this way. I got this like 100 years ago in Bloomingdale's, the big brown bag collection, and it's trucking. So that's the full off the work look vibes. Let me show you all the full fit.
Let me go week.
I am tired. I don't know what time it is. I kind of worked through my short Friday, kind of. But I didn't get a lot of things ticked off, but I was able to, the heaviest item, the most weighty, most important deliverable, I was able to make a lot of headway on that. So happy for that. I am going to wind down. That's it for me for leaving the house for the rest of the day. I am going to organize to have something to eat. But as I said, I fasted today. I didn't have breakfast, I didn't have lunch. I am going to read. I am going to do some spin. So do a workout. I probably will do 2 workouts, one now and then one just before I go to bed. And yeah, just unwind. It was a good work week, I would say. Could have gotten a lot more done, but I got some heavyweight stuff done, so that's great. And tomorrow, I'm gonna do that cathedral hike for sure. Oh, and there's the Milo city bike ride happening tomorrow. So I'm definitely looking forward to going out for that. Yay, yay, yay. So yeah, that's it for the rest of the evening. So I'll check back in with y'all later on, and then also tomorrow for all of the out of house activities. It's midnight. Gotta get on that. Gotta do what I gotta do. Good morning. The last thing I did last night was work out, and I'm back at it again this morning to work out yet again. Hooray! 75 challenge! Woohoo! So excited to work out. Yay. The hat, it matches the bag. That's pretty cool. Yeah, let's get it.
Any off the bus.
Move that body. 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 Move that body.
So that was a walk.
Move that body.